DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, I in the lab, I don't know so crazy reaction and crazy bangers a drop on your head top, yo. What I'm telling you. Yeah, man, and today is no different. Today, we had another Dan too. You see me? We had one big Dan. And the one named Keep Calm. And this has been requested a lot by the Dan Mafia members. You see me, I say? Let me see who requested this one again, so we can give a little shout out. 48𝐂𝐂𝐃. He said, yo, one big Dan, keep calm. 48𝐂 again. Who else? Just 48𝐂 at this time I can find. You see me, I say, but big up 48𝐂𝐂𝐃, you already know. Yeah, man, but today we have one Big Dan. The one of them Keep Calm. I check it out on Story Dog. I did. Lately, Big Dan has been reinventing himself. He's been, sorting out his style and him flow and everything. He reinvented himself and he did a really good job. So I'm really like interest to see what Big Dan got going on and what he got to come is like why for that as what he has to forward is like, yeah, he re-sparked that interest again. You see me I say? Before he kind of with all the controversy before people was like, hey, we don't see. But Big Dan reinvent himself. Dogs bring back himself as a new and hot artist now. You see me I say? Yeah, man, it's a good look. So big up Big Dan anyway, them G. Yeah, man, we'll jump right in the track. One Big Dan, Keep Calm. Let's get it.
Me, I say a Jambisco. Jump out fresh in my polar tees. Know I'm clean, I get a blow my keys. Them know in Africa.
Hold on, man. I apologize, gang. Normally, I was zoned the fuck out. I was paying too much for visual. I wasn't even paying attention to the song. I was trying to watch the visuals that I got going on. Hold on. Come here, we could do it the right way. Let's get it, man. Yeah, man, one Big Dan, Keep Calm. Come here.
Me, I say a Jambisco.
I wonder what? Why not? What? I wonder when gone. I wonder when gone.
Jump out fresh in my polar tees. Know I'm clean, I get a blow my keys. Them know in Africa, so no know my thing. Them and I roll the this, there is a froze the beach. Yeah, me sister them a cap then I know no me. Just be in town, off drag up on the road. We leave, no play around, yeah, stagger with me rory beast. I will does a girl ask for your photo, please.
Easy now, me telling us to stop playing the dog. Big Dan, you find a new flow and style. Keep it up, come
on. Been a keep calm, give them a surprise like the very real storm. Ready for your show from my money to my palm. I'm ready for my fans and ready for the dance. And I bet I never know.
Ready for your show from my money to my palm, which is right. Send on the paper and I'm there. Hey!
I'm steady with the pan. Going and knock your door, left for jail with gun. If you ever know me, the chip farm sends thing on you.
Knock your door, knock your jelly with can. Come in.
With the heavy 6 pants. Jump out fresh in my polar tees. Know I'm clean, I get a blow my keys. Them know in Africa, so no know my thing. Them and I roll the this, there is a froze the beach. Yeah, me sister them a cap then I know no me. Just be in town, off drag up on the road, we leave no play.
Them a cap then I know no Mitch. On the door, no Mitch. Stop it. Stop it.
Round ya stagger with me rory beast. I will does a girl ask for your photo, please. And me say sorry, me no sorry, big jack. Bad girl and ya make a killer call this bad. Fuck a girl and not go, she never me TikTok. Say me clean like a soap over me Insta. Never falling, never sorry, who better than shotty brother walk.
Hey, who forgot about the big jack? Come in. Hey, Big Dan, you need to capitalize on that now. Cause you must early have your own dance, brother. Hey, Big Dan, if you bigger than this now. You see me, no pun intended, but yeah, you carry your weight. You're supposed to be bigger than it. Can't you make people tear down a thing. Keep it up though, come in.
Can't tear down valley. We don't afraid of nobody, cause word of me daddy. And the whole of jail full of keys and matty. Them a wonder who gone. been a keep calm. Give them a surprise like the burial storm. Ready for your show from my money to my palm. I'm ready for my fans and ready for the dance. And I bet you never know, say me steady with the pan. Going and knock your door, left for jail with can. If you ever know, me the chip palm. Since thing I you do with the heavy 6 pants. Jump out fresh in my polo tees. Know I'm clean, I get a blow my kiss. Them know in Africa, so no know my thing. I'm gonna roll the this, there is a froze the beach.
Easy Bigs Dan. Yeah, man. Hey, enough you thought I rate Bigs Dan, yeah? Young you then rate Bigs Dan. Me I tell you Bigs Dan if you don't know, watch my video and find out. The youth them rate you, me G.
This is them a capper, they no know no me. Just be in town, ask drag up on the road. We leave, no play around, yeah, stagger with me rory beast. I would just a galaxy for your photo, please.
Easy. Easy. Bigs Dan, come in now, man. Yeah, man. Bigs Dan, keep it up, me G. I want you, don't stop, you know. Don't stop, you know, Bigs Dan. Keep it up, come. You know you're gonna find. There's a style, me a ear, that's waiting to come out, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. There's a style and pattern. There's a style, pattern. There's a talent in you. When ready to come out. You see me? Where you not find it. I tell you. Yeah, man. There's a mad flow and a mad style and a mad. Yes, when you become one with yourself as an artist, Big Dan. I'm not telling you, you do good right now, but I can't tell you, say, you know, one with yourself as an artist. So once you're one with yourself, bro, there's a bad style waiting to come out, bro. I'm telling you. I tell you, dog. Yeah, man. It's like, oh, like when. Alright, let me show you what I mean. Like, oh, craft. So Craft become one. Craft when Craft bust. You see me, dog, a bad tune. But listen, Craft now, once he become one in himself. Now look at Skipper. And Skipper just bust. Skipper now, Skipper has become more one. Raja Wild, see him where. Mali, see him where. Pablo, see him where. You see the list going on. Big Zan, the same thing, bro. Just keep consistent, bro. There's something. There's a style in you, me a hear where you're not jaw out yet, brother. Man, I tell you. Man, me can't hear you now, you know. And you see me, when you get comfortable, you start get feisty, brother. Yeah, man, trust me, dog. Just keep it up, me G. There's a style I wait to come out of Bigs Dan, dog. You see me? But yeah, man, gang, Bigs Dan, keep calm. What do you think about the one day? The one them mad, man. You see me? Bigs Dan is back, bro. Not lie about no Mish. No, don't know Mish. Oh, I'm Tono, bro. Stop lying. But yeah, man, Bigs Dan, keep calm. You see me and say, yeah, man, that one day, that nice track. You see me, that was just, like the track said, you just keeping calm, dropping some lyrics and some style and some flows. I like it. We like it, Bigs Dan. Keep it up. You see me, I said, G, we like it. Keep it up, Dan. You see me? It's a good look. Yeah, man. We can't wait to see what else you come out with. The song when you're flowing, the song when you're flowing is just a little taste of what you can do, you know. You see me? It's a taste of that flow I told you that you haven't found yet. You see me? Funny enough. That's what the song flow is about. That was just a taste of the hidden potential you have inside of your message. Once you get more comfortable and become one with yourself and becoming an artist where you want to be, or you're gonna go crazy, gang. You see me? I say you're gonna go crazy. Man, I tell you, enough ratings out there for your dog. Keep it up, your fun. You got fans out here. I'm telling you. You got fans out here, Big Dan. Yeah, the young youth them look up to you. I'm telling you. Young and big youth them too. Yeah, now start like, you know what I'm saying, fat and skinny. They're looking up to you, bro, and you need to do your thing, bro. Your rating solid and your thing. But anyway, gang, let me know what you think about the one there in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say, yo, I'm dancing, you know. You see me what I'm saying? Also, let me know what your favorite part was, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's chop it up. Let's get a dialogue and a discussion going, huh? Yeah, man, gang. Let me know. But yeah, till next time. Road to 10K. 300 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. So hit the like and subscribe button. Because, you know what I'm saying, happy boy. Y'all been active though. I can't too complain. Y'all been active. Y'all been sharing. Y'all been commenting. All that good stuff. I appreciate y'all. Each and every one. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, man, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.